Okay, we're live now. Hello, 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 everybody. Okay. How's everyone doing? How's it going? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. So, who all do we have? Our very first Shivam. Hello. Shivam is Ashutosh. Hi. What's up? Seeing everybody after long. Teju Kolhapur is also here. Hi Teju, how you doing? Dying to catch up with you soon, yeah. I'm in Delhi, you're in Bombay. Let's hope we can catch up really soon. Who else do we have here? Rizwan, hi. Tushar, hello. Hassan. Hi Hassan from Bangladesh, all the way from Bangladesh. Awesome. I hope everyone's doing fine, and I know the lockdown phase 5 has started, and people have started moving out, but I'll still suggest that people please take a lot of precautions, wear your masks and your gloves, and just be very, very safe, because at this point in time, you never know who you might just catch this pandemic from. So just be very, very careful whenever you come back home. Just definitely take a shower, then meet anybody else at home. So anyway, I don't want to preach too much more, but we're going to have a fun chat this evening. We have a very interesting guest coming up with me, a very dear friend, a very gorgeous person. Her name is Sonali Jain. She's a fashionista. She's a haute couture specialist, and she hails from the exotic city of Jaipur, Rajasthan, and she moved to Mumbai in 2005 and launched her fashion label by the name of Sonali Jain. And so that's why her collection portrays and depicts the magnificent styles of the tradition blended with the modern opulence. And I just love her clothes. I just simply love her clothes. And she's such a stylish person herself, so gorgeous herself. And she just loves, she's very, very lively person as well. And she's designed for various celebrities like Hina Khan, musicians like Tanish Bakshi, Zara Khan, Zain Khan, Amrita Rao, the actress, Prachi Desai, and many, many more, I think. And Neha Bhasin, a very dear friend of mine, the rock star Neha Bhasin. I've seen some lovely pictures of her designing for her. And okay, so do we have Sonali Jain? Has she joined us? Let's have her on the chat with us. I can't wait to meet up with her and introduce her to all of you. Okay, I'm going to check on the double. Yeah, Sonali Jain is there. Yeah. Sonali Jain, is she there? No, I can't see her as yet. She must be on the top. She is there. Must be on the top somewhere. Okay, checking for her, guys. She's just joining up. She needs to join in again because now we do not see her at all. Sonali Jain, waiting for you. Please join in again. And then I'll add you on this lovely chat, and we'll talk about. There's so many things to talk about, and I have a passion for fashion, so I can't wait to talk to you about your style mantra, etc., etc. And and of course we blend it in with a little bit of my music as well. That is of course a promise to all of you. So who else do we have here till then? Hussan. Utkarsh, hello. How are you doing? She's joined? Yeah, I just checked again. हाँ. She's there. She's there.
Ask her to go off.
Okay.
Log in again.
Ask her to go off and come back again. Yeah. I'm enjoying a very nice masala chai. I love making masala chai. That's my thing for the evening. Waiting for you, Sonali. Till then, let me sing something for all of you. Once you meet her. So okay, let's check again if she's joined or not. Yeah, yeah, there she is. She's there. We sent her a request. She's joining us in any second now. There she is. Woohoo! Welcome to the show. Sonali, welcome to this live session. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you? Looking good.
Thank you. You're the gorgeous one. You're the gorgeous one, and you make others gorgeous as well. So welcome everybody. Welcome the beautiful fashionista Sonali Jain. And as I was telling everybody about, you know, your origin, that you come from Jaipur. You've been born and brought up in my favorite city in the whole world. You know, I just love Jaipur. Sabse pehle to Sonali, tell us something about your childhood and your you know, your influences in Jaipur, and then we talk about the other things. And I hope you're doing fine. How has the lockdown been for you? तो आते ही आपको मैंने 2 सवाल पूछ लिए. Now please tell us all.
सबसे पहले तो जयपुर के बारे में I will tell you. Jaipur is a beautiful city. My whole family lives there, and my childhood is super amazing. I'm a super pampered child. Mom, dad has given me a looking like a totally princess kind of feeling. Till now, I am that.
How sweet.
So childhood was very great, and Jaipur is very, very cool, and lot of things to visit. Is beautiful. So whoever doesn't have not gone to Jaipur, definitely please visit. Beautiful.
So did you go to Maharani Gayatri Devi School? Which school did you go to in Jaipur?
MGD.
Ah, my favorite. Of course, I have lots of friends from Jaipur. My cousin sister also lives in Jaipur. So I frequent Jaipur a lot. I go to Jaipur a lot.
The thing is that you know, whoever belongs to a, so whatever. So all girls are there in MGD. That's the best part.
That's the best. In fact, you know, you've heard of FICCI Flow?
Which one?
The FICCI Flow, the women organization. FICCI Flow.
No. Jaipur?
So FICCI Flow, so FICCI Flow is this, I would say it is a national women's organization. And the Jaipur chapter had invited me, and I had come to Jai Mahal Palace to perform, and for all women, basically. So there is, you know, every woman was dressed up so regally. I think कि कुछ तो बात है कि जयपुर की जो लोग होते हैं, जो स्पेशली वहाँ की जो women हैं, they have something very royal and very princessly about them. And you know, I just love the tradition that you all always hang on to, always treasure, and that's something very beautiful about you people. You know, so. And as I said, that's why it's one of my most favorite cities in the world. I love the music. Rajasthan ka music मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I love the clothes. I love the culture. I love the tradition.
Been to Chowkidani?
So anyway, Hanji?
Have you been to Chowkidani?
Of course, I've been to Chowkidani. Jaipur क्या तो चप्पा चप्पा मैंने देखा है. I have been to almost every place there. All the palaces, and I've stayed in Rambagh Palace. I think I've had a taste of all the beautiful properties, all the lovely palace properties especially. I really, really love that place. So, okay, Sonali Jain, coming back to you, then you moved to Mumbai in 2005. You moved to Mumbai in 2005, and that's when you thought of, making your dreams come true and launching your fashion label, right?
Yes.
So tell us about the move. जब आप जयपुर से आप Mumbai आए, when you came to Mumbai, how is there must have been such a huge contrast between the two places. How did you adjust?
See, it is very, very easy for me to adjust. I really find any difficulty to adjust in Mumbai. It is very comfortable to me to live and to do or to live independently, to do things independently. Then
So yes, that is a city. Mumbai definitely is a city which really, really helps. Is so safe for women, है ना? And it helps you to really, really become. It's very empowering, I think, right? Okay. There seems to be a network issue on your side, Sonali. Sonali, yeah, no, I think we'll have to rejoin her. We'll add her again. Yeah, okay. Added Sonali Jain yet again. Yeah. Hey, no, not happening. Yeah, just check. Okay, anyway, so we have, okay, everybody, we were having this lovely chat with Sonali Jain. She's just going to join us again. She's, I guess because of some network issue, she is just coming back. But yes, there are some very interesting questions about fashion and style. Okay. I did just now. I did. I'm going to, no, she's not there now. Yeah, I think she's back. No, she's not back as yet. Nope. She needs to send a request again. No, she's here. Oops. She's here. No. Guys, there you are, Sonali. हमारा दिल जो है बिल्कुल धड़कना बंद हो गया था क्योंकि आप एकदम से चली गई थी. Network issue. How are the Mumbai rains?
Mumbai is super cool, super amazing. Now, if somebody said me to shift from Mumbai, I can't. Definitely.
Now you're totally comfortable here. So you have your beautiful store in Lower Parel, है ना? Sonali, can you hear me? Hello.
I can hear you.
Okay, great. Now I can hear you. Okay, so tell me about. So when you moved to Mumbai, then of course you set up your fashion label. What motivated you to become a fashion designer, and what is, that one thing about being a fashion designer that you love the most? We're all dying to know that.
See, in fashion designing, you can do whatever you want. All the creativeness you can put into that. All colors, creativeness, all mood boards, all inspiration. Either it's a, you can say it's a very rough thing. From that also, एक stone होता है ना, जैसे crystal है. From crystal also inspired यार कि if we put that into our collection, so that collection will be look amazing. Like I have done my shiny collection, which I've launched just last 4 months back, I guess. So in that I put all the chandelier thing kind of a thing, all chandelier stones, Swarovski, everything like that. So
Wow,
it
wow.
just clicked on, and we just get into that, and we have a lot to do to with creativeness and everything. So
Fantastic. So you have designed for so many celebrities like Hina Khan and Prachi Desai, Amrita Rao, some of my dear friends like Neha Bhasin, Tanish Bagchi, Zara Khan. So tell me, what was your most exciting experience about designing for a celebrity? कितना मजा आया? कैसे आप inspire हुए to create that collection for them?
like till now, I don't know, people say that celebrities have attitude and they don't talk and all this thing. But touch wood, like I have never found with anybody. And Hina Khan, so I can't tell you, she is super sweet. For
How
me, so
nice.
she is Zara Khan, Tanish just treat me like my sister.
How
So
sweet.
like तनिष के साथ तो मतलब आई वॉज वेरी कंफर्टेबल कि ये पहन ले ये नहीं पहन back
Nice.
and with Hina also it is the connection is very good because you know when I started my this designing thing I started with the people start with you know always with exhibition then the store and then the you know the ram shows I started
हाँ,
with I've done the ram show first
क्या बात है?
so I've
Super.
done and Priyank.
In fact, you design for celebrities, but I think you yourself have such a lovely personal style mantra, such a lovely style of your own. So what do you do when it takes to style your own self? What is your personal style, I would say, mantra or formula?
See, to be very frank, like you know, like it's not me. It's not about me only. It's about everybody. Whatever suits you, you should wear that.
Hmm.
It's never about fashion. It's never about you know color. ये कुछ नहीं होता है. Trust me. ठीक है वो होता है कि अभी ग्रीन कलर बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है ये ऑलिव कलर
Yeah.
बहुत and we do that. Obviously, we also do that because we trend में है तो people will buy that only. But trust me,
Right.
एक बात बताइए, if someone has you know wheatish complexion, if you let him wear that green olive color, definitely it won't suit her. You have to
Correct.
give a vibrant color like pink, peach, orange,
Hmm.
yellow. So it depends on the personality to personality that how you figure out. So
Right.
whenever I give to my client, I first met them personally. I suggest them that this is my thing. Then
Yeah.
now that what you want. Then we have a
Nice.
discussion. Then we sort it out. It's never like that कि मैंने थोप दिया कि नहीं आपको तो यही पहनना है. I
हाँ,
never
हाँ. Yeah, because the person should also feel comfortable in what they're wearing, and that's how they'll be confident, right?
me
So
and my also very cooperative.
nice, nice. I'm so glad. In fact, I've been seeing your page and I've been seeing the beautiful, glamorous collection, which is truly a beautiful blend of, the modern opulence and the traditional old regal tradition, which you've done so well. So really,
Thank
really thumbs up to you for that. And I'm really, really, I admire your collection and I would really love to wear something of yours, hopefully
you.
soon in my next event, whenever that
Sure,
happens.
sure.
Sonali, I believe you love music. So, सबसे पहले तो मुझे बताओ आपका which is your most favorite song of mine? Which is my favorite song which you like? Would you like me to sing for you?
Uh, you have that song. I'm just forgetting that line. Abija.
Yes, you're right. So, okay, I'm going to sing Sajna Abija for you and all the fans and all the friends who have joined in just now. Okay? हो जाए. सजना आबिजा सजना आबिजा नहीं लगता तेरे बिना तेरा हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा सजना आ भी जा सजना बिंदिया मेहंदी कंगना चोरी झूमर गहना जाते जाते नैना सुने पड़े तेरे बिना नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा हाय नहीं लगता तेरे बिना दिल मेरा सजना भी जा सजना भी जा
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. So, well, I would love to, wear your outfit and sing this song and perform next whenever I perform next. Hopefully, it should be soon. We're all waiting for things to become normal. So, आपसे एक बहुत जरूरी सवाल करना है, सोनाली. इस लॉकडाउन में, इस क्वारंटीन में आपका कैसे, हाउ इज इट गोइंग फॉर यू? एंड एक बहुत ही मेजर जो सवाल मैं करना चाह रही हूँ, दैट ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन एंड ड्यूरिंग दीज कोविड टाइम्स जो आ गए हैं, अब जो इवेंट्स भी हैं वो भी बहुत मिनिमलिस्टिक गैदरिंग्स होंगी, राइट? सो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू mold your fashion styles and your designs now that people will want to wear something truly comfortable, and even though your style is so elegant and so classy, so what do you see, what do you foresee during these times now? So first, you tell us, how is it going for you, the lockdown?
Yes, in starting, it is very pathetic. I got very frustrated. But after some time, after let's say 10-15 days, I have got my inner self. I just start writing blogs, reading books,
Very nice.
music, writing. जो मुझे आई थिंक शौक भी नहीं था, मतलब जिन चीजों का मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता था कि मैं कर पाऊंगी या मैं करना चाहती हूँ. That also started doing. When I used to be in college and school, I used to write शायरी.
How nice. तो कुछ शायरी सुना दो.
क्या बोल रहे हैं
आप कुछ लाइनें अपनी शायरी की एक आध लाइन सुना दो यार, मजा आ जाएगा हमारे सब फैंस को, सारे व्यूअर्स को. दे विल लव टू हियर अ वुमन डूइंग सम शायरी.
ओके.
यस, मैंने आपको गाना सुनाया, अब आप हमें शायरी सुनाओ.
ओके, लेट मी थिंक.
कुछ भी, एक भी लाइन.
Yeah, I'm just a second, 1 second. I have all the records.
So okay, you take some time to think about it. But आपसे हम शायरी कराए बिना आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. But we are all wanting to know कि सोनाली जैन, what is the future for fashion? जब अभी आजकल ये सब कोविड टाइम्स चल रहे हैं और गैदरिंग्स कितनी मिनिमल हो चुकी हैं. So what are you planning? What kind of creations and collections are you planning during these times?
See, to be very frank, like all my designs and all my fabrics are very, very light. They are not like
That's great.
whatever it is. So they are very light and you can wear it any occasion, either it's Diwali, Rakhi, or a reception, or a small gathering. It combines with everything. So it's nothing very, बहुत तड़क भड़क होता है ना. I don't do that thing. I do something very unique. In my every outfit, you will find every uniqueness. You will never find it, in like a similar way. Every has a different or some ethic in it. So,
That's fantastic.
So that we can do, which you can wear in any whatever occasion it is. Secondly, we are thinking to switch to give offers, because obviously at present the situations of everybody is so bad that they obviously like a normal person can't afford. So we are giving offers In fact, we have started giving offers, like, and we will, like in future also, till the situation become normal, we will give offers, discounts, or whatever, like if you are taking this, then we are giving this, or any discounts, or like whatever. Obviously, we also understand, because it happens with everyone. It is not us, or it is not other persons. It is happening with.
Yeah, it's a worldwide phenomenon right now. So I think puri all the industries are of course suffering. So I'm so glad that you're doing this, that you have cut down your prices, you're giving good offers. ये बहुत अच्छी बात कर रहे हो सोनाली. It's good because people will still want to get married, people will still be getting engaged, birthdays, parties थोड़ी बहुत smaller levels पे होंगी. लेकिन it's good that आप उसको और affordable कर रहे हो, है ना? That's so nice.
आज किसी का ओकेजन खराब हो जाए, I can't do that.
Great.
So
Sonali, what will you do to ensure that, the authentic deliveries for your online shopping customers? Because mostly अब सारी shopping तो online ही होने वाली है, right? It will be, majority will be online. So how are you going to ensure authentic deliveries?
So, in the starting, whenever we open the showroom, right now it's closed. So, whenever it is open, I guess from 8th, they are saying that the things will be open. I don't know, let's see. So, whenever it get open, definitely we will sanitize everything. All the clothes, dry cleaning, sanitizing, everything in our showroom. All the labor class have their PP kits all over every time, mask all the time, and we make it sure that we do the deliveries at their doorstep. We will not give it to any VFast guy or any courier guy. No, I just hire one guy
Excellent.
who is always in a PPK, sanitizing, washing his hands, then giving the kit, and then again washing his hands. So it will be totally safe. So
Excellent. Excellent.
so that's the one reason I am not, like many people are asking me that why I'm not making masks. So uh, I'm not making masks because the reason एक डर है, like आप एक कॉटन मास्क बना दो और गलती से कुछ हो जाए, या I mean कुछ people are doing, I'm not saying they're wrong, they obviously it is
हाँ.
good, but I can't
But
take the
you
risk.
don't want to take that path,
I
right?
can't.
So यही मेरा आपसे नेक्स्ट सवाल होने वाला था, that the future of fashion, do you think that in your collection you will include masks and gloves and all those kind of things? No, you
No,
will not.
I will, like somebody has a reception, like kind of a thing. If they want to have, mask, so we can do one thing, like if we put a mask, so in from inside, we do that covering of the normal mask, which are coming
Right.
in medical shop, and then over it we do that proper, work wala and all those things, so that it is totally safe.
I think that's a brilliant idea, yeah, Sonali. That's great that under say you will keep it absolutely as per the norms of
Right.
the health norms, and then of course ऊपर से you can dress it up and glamorize it a bit, right? That would be awesome. That would be really nice. Superb. तो अच्छा सुनो, अब मुझे किसी ने बताया था आपका एक फेवरेट गाना है, कौन सा वाला है? आपका एक फेवरेट गाना है कोई?
आपको किसने बता दिया कि मेरा एक फेवरेट गाना है?
मेरे को इंट्यूशंस आती रहती हैं.
My favorite song is लग जा गले.
Yes, and you knew it. So मैं आपके लिए ये गाना चाहती हूँ, and क्योंकि भाई हम यहाँ पे फैशन मीट्स म्यूजिक हो रहा है, and थोड़ी हाँ.
You are super good.
Thank you so much. You are gorgeous. I mean, really, what a lovely combination of a pretty, beautiful woman and such a talented woman who's a designer. So I think I'm really happy to meet you virtually. लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो. लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो. फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले आई होप आपको अच्छा लगा.
मम्मी
थैंक यू. लेकिन आपने वो शायरी याद करी है कि नहीं? क्योंकि उसको किए बिना हम आपको जाने नहीं देंगे. यू हैव टू डू सम शायरी.
See, I'm not good at, how to speak it, yeah, but I can write it. ये
Oh,
चांदनी
so
रात
sweet.
ये चांदनी रात में जब तारे चमचमाते हैं, तुम्हारे साथ बिताए हुए हर पल याद आते हैं. जी रहे हैं तो बस इसलिए कि हर तन्हा रातों में तुम्हें पास पाते हैं.
वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है. You know, this could be your other talent. आप इस टैलेंट को जरूर पॉलिश कीजिए. Tell me, this is written by you? ये आपने खुद लिखा है?
Yes. आपको
I'm
believe you.
so impressed. सोनाली, जब मैं आपको नेक्स्ट मिलूंगी बॉम्बे में, हम एक महफिल जमाएंगे साथ में.
100%.
That is beautiful. And इसके I would love to set this to a tune. So आप ये मुझे ना जरूर इसको WhatsApp कर देना, ये
For
लाइनें,
sure.
और मैं इसके ऊपर एक प्यारी सी धुन बना के कंपोज करके गा के आपको भेजूंगी.
And
It's
then you said,
beautiful.
yeah.
How nice. So, guys, I hope you're all getting some inspiration that Sonali Jain, during her lockdown time and quarantine, a lovely, busy and a very talented fashion designer, has actually tapped her other talent, which is writing, shairi and poetry. So I think we should all try to do that. Even during the lockdown, मैंने भी बहुत सारी और चीजें करने की कोशिश करी, जैसे कि कुकिंग पे तो मैं फेल हो रही हूँ, बट आई होप कि मैं कुछ और किसी और स्किल पे वो कर सकूं. बट ऑफ कोर्स म्यूजिक कीप्स मी वेरी बिजी बिकॉज आई कीप डूइंग डिजिटल कॉन्सर्ट्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, ताकि सब लोग एंटरटेन रहें, खुश रहें और इस मायूसी के आलम से थोड़ा उनको एक राहत मिल जाए. So, Sonali, anything that you would like to suggest for your fraternity, fashion designer fraternity, for the people who are passionate about style and fashion during this time, how to keep yourself updated with fashion, to keep yourself upgraded and updated with fashion, even though these are times कि जब लोग ज़्यादा बाहर जाने को नहीं मिल रहा. So, how are we going to keep up with the fashion? So, what are your tips and suggestions to your fraternity and people like us? I also love fashion. I love dressing up, by the way. Even during this lockdown time, whenever I do any live shows, I always like to dress myself up. Of course, not really over the top, but bright and nice and appealingly. So, आपकी तरफ से क्या suggestions और tips हैं इस वक्त में उन सब लोगों के लिए जो fashion के who have a passion for fashion?
See, like whoever has a passion for fashion. So, see, earlier, for 10, 15 days, you're okay with, loose pajamas and a loose t-shirts and the shorts and all those. But after 20, 15 days, you get really, really bored. ऐसे लगता है कि
ऐसे लगता है कि ये क्या हो रहा है, पजामा पार्टी खत्म हो रही है कि नहीं खत्म हो रही?
पार्टी भी कितना चलेगा, 15 दिन 20 दिन, नो बाबा. So at least ठीक है, not saying that कि आप घर में बहुत मेकअप एंड एकदम बहुत uncomfortable clothes के साथ रहिए. I'm not saying that, but you can wear a crop top with a harem pants. It's cool. You can just tie up a pony up. Cool. You can apply a little bit of a gloss. It will give you also कि यार I am good. I'm looking good. So harem pants हैं, crop tops हैं, losers हैं with the crop tops, peggies हैं. So they are all like very comfortable to wear, and it will give a hot plus sexy look as well.
Actually, yeah. You know what? I have this girl gang, and we haven't met for 2 months because I'm from. वैसे तो मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ, so I came to Delhi for a show on 13th of March, and उसके बाद से I have been in Delhi. Of course, Delhi is my hometown. So I was. I told everybody. I said, let's do a Zoom के ऊपर party. Like eight of us can catch up and let's all dress up. Let's all actually dress up. कि हम लोग we are going out to meet up with each other. So we actually dressed up after 2 months. We dressed up, did some makeup, and we actually felt good, even though we didn't step out of the house. But I think that's also good, right? To dress up for
No,
these Zoom parties.
no,
Huh?
trust me. When I'm dressing up, I'm feeling, oh God, मुझे please यहाँ से कोई बाहर भेज दो. Just I want to be out from home. It is like, oh my God. So it is always nice to be dressed up, and you should be toned up always. Otherwise,
Correct.
always any dumb mood. आपको खुद को भी, you feel very depressed when you look yourself.
Correct.
Very depressed, like you ऐसे लगता है क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. So why do that?
Absolutely. True. That's very true. Very well said. And I think just to brighten ourselves up, we should dress up. And so please tell us about if people want to visit you online and see your collection. So do they go on your website? So www.sonalijain.co.in, right? Am I right?
All my collection is there. Yes.
So guys, please visit www.sonalijain.co.in and feast on her collection online, and you can probably order also whatever you like. And trust me, I'm a huge fan of Sonali Jain's clothes. So if I'm saying so, all of you will fall in love with her beautiful, I would say, the blend that she has with the Indian and the Western. And it's really wearable collection, very easy, elegant and classy. So I really wish that everyone should now, go to your website and check it out and wear your clothes and order from there.
Thank you.
Sonali, I was wanting to ask you, what do you think are going to be the fashion trends? What do you think are going to be the future fashion trends in these times? क्या होने वाला है fashion में? जैसे कि fashion shows क्या आपको लगता है होंगे या बहुत small level पे होंगे? क्या होगा? What is a fashion trend? Fashion events का क्या होगा? Please shed some light on your perspective on this.
I see, to be very frank, at present, whatever the things are, like जैसे भी Bombay Times होता है September में, so we don't have any of. So obviously it means it is not happening. So जो और में भी हुआ था वो भी kind of मतलब बीच में उनको बंद करना पड़ गया था because of this COVID thing. So at present, this 2020, I'm not finding any event on like nothing. I don't think so. Any exhibition or any event. If anything is there also, then it's virtual. Definitely not a live thing.
Virtual.
Yeah.
Have you thought of doing a virtual fashion show?
No, at present fashion shows to be virtual नहीं आया है, but exhibitions का virtual आया है. Like Viva are doing virtual. Then we have.
Oh, they're doing virtual.
Yeah, they have just 2-3 days back only they got me a mail that we are doing a virtual thing and we're thinking on that you want to participate and all those things. So many are going like this on a virtual basis because at present, it's not safe also. It's very risky.
Right.
Because you can't be in so much crowd and India may after opening,
correct,
like they open, so after 15 days, so they will say, what is Corona? So it's very safe. So
there was this news I was watching the news, and I was, there was this very interesting news that Chennai mein all opened up, and there was a jewelry store which was selling gold which opened up, and I think they really gave a lot of discounts that particular day, and they had a huge sale. They sold out all their jewelry, and it was packed. मतलब इतना भीड़ भड़का हो गया वहाँ पे. So you're right. It's very difficult to control the crowd, and it's very difficult to make everybody understand the gravity of the situation. Yeah. So yes, it's better to take precautions.
Like it's very risky too.
Yeah, I know. So do you like to dress up when you dress up celebrities, like you've dressed up actors and actresses and singers also? So Neha Bhasin is a singer, and I think I saw her wearing a beautiful pink, shocking pink outfit of yours. So what did you think? What were you inspired by when you made that outfit for her?
Shivani, your voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear you.
Can you hear me now?
No.
Sonali, can you hear me now? I'm asking you, how was it
Little
dressing
bit.
up Neha Bhasin? How was it dressing up Neha Bhasin? She's a singer, wonderful singer, and I saw a beautiful, shocking pink outfit जिसमें आपने उसको dress up किया था. How was it? How was it dressing her up?
Dhol. Very nice. She's a very nice lady and amazing, super cool, super hot, no tension at all. Just दे दिया ये बनाना है ऐसे करना है ऐसे चाहिए ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. That's it. So no tension at all. I've done and outfits of Neha, and she's very good, like very very nice. In fact, she has done that song ढोलना राइट. अभी लास्ट सॉन्ग आया था इनका जिसमें
Sorry, which?
she has wear that white pink वाला thing.
That is
ढोलना.
your outfit. Right.
Yeah, that. Yeah. So
Oh,
it
nice.
was very cool and very like abhi just now she has to attend some I think some event or something. For that also we have make one outfit, but that has to be like casual plus a little bit of like a formal plus informal wear.
Hmm.
So we have done a bustier and we have done a plazo pants with a blazer.
How nice. Sounds really interesting. Wow. That's
So
amazing.
that yeah.
I can't wait to, visit your showroom and catch up with you and get dressed up by you really soon. And I'm so happy that, we've caught up like this and we'll be having this lovely chat. And and it's so nice to meet such a talented person like you, an independent woman who made it all the way from Jaipur to Mumbai. And और आप में वो बहुत princessly वाली vibes हैं. So it's nice that, you left that city and then you came to Mumbai and you established your brand in such a big and a huge way. That's amazing. Anything that about your journey which you'd like to tell us? Kuch about your growing up years, about your journey, something interesting that you'd like to tell any of us, maybe to inspire upcoming fashion designers.
Um, um, but see, I'm to be very honest and modest. Like लोगों को struggle करना पड़ता होगा, but touch wood, मुझे नहीं करना पड़ा.
Oh, that's quite honest, I would say. Yeah, as you said, honest and modest.
Family support. So मुझे नहीं करना पड़ा touch wood. Obviously,
हाँ
different thing कि आप अपने clients को कैसे कर रहे हो, आप marketing कैसे कर रहे हो, आप clothes कैसे बना रहे हो. That's all different thing. I'm not
हाँ
for that. For that, obviously, I have to. I'm not talking about that, but generally, I'm saying कि शोरूम ओपन हो गया, मैंने शोज कर लिए, कब कैसे क्या मैनेज हुआ, आई डोंट नो.
हाँ
Everything got and it goes on and on and on and on and on. So
चलो
I still like I don't know. I'm again saying that I started with Hina Khan and Priyank, and they both are too good. And I have a very good friend, Zan Khan. He's a very good actor, TV actor, and Amit Singh. They both are too good. Like now, they have become my friends only. तो अब तो नथिंग लाइक वो वाला वो है ही सिचुएशन ही नहीं है कि वो एक टीवी एक्टर हैं और एक मैं डिजाइनर हूँ. वो तो ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन बचा ही नहीं. नाउ वी बिकम वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स
how nice.
लाइक and Hina also like he's a very good like she's a true soul. I don't know about
क्या
people
बात है.
what
आई थिंक हिना खान को और जान खान को भी बहुत हिचकियां आ रही होंगी बिकॉज आप उनको इतना याद कर रहे हो. आई एम श्योर.
नहीं but seriously but no doubt Tanish Zara is also very very sweet, like very
Yeah,
sweet, and
I know
Neha
her
is also
really well. Yeah, she's very sweet.
Zara is very sweet.
So I was very happy to know that you designed for all these people, and most of them I know so well, and बहुत अच्छा लगा to know about
And
that. And
very good experience. They have come to my home and we have started my party at 9 in the night and we've ended up in morning at 9.
Next time include me in your party also.
100%. Most welcome.
How nice. No, great, yeah. You know, it was so much fun chatting with you. मुझे ऐसा लगा that I've known you for years, and that's the kind of person you are. You're a very warm person, and stay the way you are, warm, sweet, positive, and so talented and pretty. I wish you all the very, very best.
Thank you so much. I'm seeing
And
as well.
thank you
Love
so much. Yes, I would love to be dressed up by you, actually, really.
person for sure.
Thank you so much. And everyone, once again, that's our beautiful Sonali Jain, the fantastic designer, fashion designer. So please go on her site, which is www.sonalijain.co.in and feast on her clothes. What are you waiting for? Okay, Sonali, thank you so much for coming over on my Insta handle. And yes,
Bye.
lots of love to you.
Bye.
Bye, Sonali. Take care. Stay safe. Stay the way you are, positive and sweet.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. Thank you, Sonali, once again. And this is so much fun. This is like something very different that I did. Thank you all. Thank you very much. And well, I just hope that all of you are staying positive and staying really safe. Whether you're stepping out of the house, please be careful. Take all the precautions. And चलिए एक जाते जाते आप सबके लिए एक request. Any requests? तो बताइए. Let's do a song. Or shall I do something of my own accord? Okay. So जाते जाते let me sing हो गई ये मोहब्बत for all of you. हो गई है मोहब्बत तुमसे आए पलकों में ख्वाब के रह गए सर आंखों पर बड़ी है एहसान तुम पे दिल में किया जो बसर हो मिल गई है अमानत तुमसे. With all my love, I'm signing off and hope to be back soon again with yet another interesting friend, guest personality, singer, comedian, or fashion designer, or from an interesting walk of life. And आपको रूबरू कराएंगे उनसे. But for now, I'm gonna say bye-bye and much love. Take care.